still raining, so it may not go away good. Don't always work for me either, dude.
Say hi to YouTube, Johnny.
Nope. I don't like being recorded, dude.
Well, this is on YouTube.
I don't know why you're fucking doing that. That's dumb shit.
Just fun and giggles. Maybe people can look at it and be like, oh, that's Louisville.
Stupid for doing that, dude. There's copyrighted music on here playing.
Yeah.
And on top of that, don't fucking just do that. You need to learn to fucking just put your media out there like willy-nilly.
Shit.
Like, just quit putting it out there just to put something out there.
Nah, that's not the reason why I'm doing it. Nothing like that. I do it because, well, it's the Louisville life, buddy.
It ain't much to see when it's fucking raining, dude.
So they can still see, henceforth, Louisville nightlife.
Do not put it on YouTube because of copyright music.
Oh, well.
It's going on YouTube.
What will that mean?
He's gonna get sued.
No, not off of this.
Well, something copyright.
This is not done with no copyright. Oh.
He's talking about the music playing, dog.
You know how much fucking shit people put on YouTube, man, with music in it? The hell? Oh, now. Billie Eilish.
That's not Billie Eilish.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Sure the fuck sounds like her
It
ass.
is copyright music. So you will get sued. All of us will get sued if you put it on.
They're gonna sue you for all your crackers.
What?
They're gonna sue you for all your crackers.
Well, here's the second thing. That's copyright music. Yeah, just put copyright music or anything that's the law of YouTube for some reason. You get sued. You could lose like all your money.
What are they gonna do? Take my cookies also?
Oh, here's the second. Why would you want to get sued?
Boy, I ain't gonna get sued off this.
Yeah, you are.
Oh. It's what's playing in the car. I ain't got no control over the music.
Actually, there is. Because if they YouTube.
There you go.
I ain't driving in silence, dude. Even if I don't want to listen to it, I still ain't driving in silence.